Hello everyone, today I'm back with another tag video, and this one is called If I Could Pick Only 3 Handbags. Now I'm really doing 6, but I'm only going to be picking 3 handbags. And first of all, thank you so much to Nicole Angelina for tagging me into her video. I just love you so much. Thank you for tagging me, and I'm gonna leave a link to her channel in the description box down below, so check it out, guys. And I just love being tagged, so thank you so much, Nicole, once again for tagging me. Keep tagging me and I'll keep doing these videos. But like I said, this tag video I will be picking 3 handbags. Oh gosh, I'm doing 6 again, but I'm going to be picking 3 handbags for the rest of my life, and I'm going to tell you and explain you all of my choices. So it's going to be a lot of fun. And before I tell you guys about my choices, I have 2 things to say. Oh my gosh, I keep doing this. I have 2 things to say. I shouldn't do the hand gesture actually. So number 1 is it was very difficult to pick 3 handbags. I mean, I love handbags and I want to have all the handbags that are ever made in this world. So it is so difficult for me to pick 3, but I tried my best to pick the top 3. And the second thing I want to say is that for today's tag video, all the picks that I'm going to show you are going to be from the Louis Vuitton fashion house. And that is because that is the only luxury brand I own at this moment. I mean, I only started collecting luxury handbags recently, and I right away started my collection with Louis Vuitton, and I bought one, and then I bought another, and then I bought another. I just kept going on and on and on, and I really need to start exploring other luxury brands, but for now, I only own Louis Vuitton, so I will be picking all 3 of my picks from Louis Vuitton. Thank goodness I had enough bags to pick my 3 top bags. So I'm really excited. I hope you guys are as well. And without further ado, let's get into the picks right away. So starting with my very first pick of this video, and if you guys have been following me for a while, you guys are not going to be surprised at all when I show you that it is my holy grail bag, my Alma BB. I just really love this bag. I've said it so many times on my channel, so it is getting repetitive, so I'm not gonna say that, but basically this is my most favorite bag of all times, and that is because it is so easy to dress this one. You can dress it up, you can dress it down, and really there's so many ways to wear this bag. It is so versatile, and it's easily, you can take this from daytime look to nighttime look. So it's really great that way, and I just love Jeremy Bean canvas. I think it goes well with so many outfits. It's just really good. I love the pop-up red that is on the inside, and I just love this bag. So I'm gonna stop saying that and just let you guys know that this is my very first pick. All right, so moving on to bag number 2, and for my second pick, I want to go with Speedy Nano. That's right, I love this bag. It is so cute, so small, and I really wanted to make sure that I include this in my top 3 because it's just perfect for those days when you don't want to carry too much, or you want to make sure that you don't have heavy bags with you because you have to walk a lot, or you have a lot of things to do during the day. So I think this is perfect for those times when I am on vacation and I don't want to carry around too many things with me. It fits so many things plus more, and I just really love it. And it's just perfect crossbody. It doesn't dangle around. It doesn't have any square edges like the Alma does, so it doesn't really bang into anything. It sits really nicely on my body, and I just really love everything about it. This little thing here, this was actually a pom-pom, and pom-pom fell off. I don't know how, where, when, and this keychain is still stuck here, so I forgot to take it off. But basically this is my Speedy Nano, and I really love it. The wear and tear on this bag has definitely been a little bit disappointing, and I'm gonna do another separate video, but basically the strap is getting darker faster compared to these handheld straps. And I don't know why that is, because I'm obviously treating both of them the same way. There is some marks and stuff on this handle here, And obviously I don't really baby my bags, but I'm very careful with them. So I don't know why this has been wearing this way. Maybe because I have been really using it. But I'm sidetracking here. But like I was saying, that I really love this bag. And if I could only have 3 bags for the rest of my life, I want to make sure that this is one of them. We are now down to my very last pick, and for this one I gave it a lot of thought because I was thinking that if I could only have 3 bags for the rest of my life, I really need to make sure that I cover all occasions, all weather, and all different kinds of situations. And for that reason, I am going to be picking my Louis Vuitton Neverfull as my 3rd choice. And I mean, this bag really needs no introduction at all. It fits so much, and that's the reason I wanted to have this bag as my last pick, to cover up for those times when I need to go for vacation or that I need to carry a little bit of extra things with me. So I think this bag is just perfect. And I haven't really been using this very much recently because I'm home most of the time. And when I go out, I have been using my Speedy Nano or Alma BB. So I have not really used this much recently, like I said, but I still love this bag. And I think I'm always going to have it in my collection. I really like it and I always use it when I travel. The only complaint I have is with the strap. So I think the strap is a little bit shorter than how long I would like my tote strap to be. But it is what it is. Sometimes the strap does dig into my shoulder as well. It's not too bad. I try to put like more layers every time I wear this bag, because one time I had a really bad accident wearing this bag. I had a cut in my shoulder, and I'm sidetracking once again, but like I said, this is my 3rd pick. So those were my top 3 picks. I kind of did a mini review as I talked about each one of them, but I hope you guys enjoyed because I had so much fun of filming this. It was definitely a little bit hard to pick the top 3 bags, but it was still a lot of fun. So thank you, Nicole, for tagging me. I love you so much, and keep tagging me. I just love being tagged. And please subscribe to my channel, guys. I would love for you to join my little YouTube family. Also, be sure to hit the bell icon so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. I'll see you guys now in my next video. I really can't wait. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye.